Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Hold My Nugget Studios. Butterfingers! God damn, we can't even start the commentary. This man fumbling already? Nevertheless, welcome back to Hold My Nugget Studios once again for your 2023 USFL Week 6 game highlight commentary. Straight out the gate, everybody kicking field goals. Out there looking like special needs kids angry at the soccer net. Meanwhile, the troubles for Victor and the Generals continue because on 4th and 2, they already participating at the Frankenstein Challenge.
I stopped short.
4th and 1, 21-yard field goal. The Stars are on the board. Mark Thompson has been unstoppable this season. Look at him run through 3 defenders into the end zone for another touchdown. It really don't matter what jersey you wear. If it's not the Gamblers jersey, you getting cooked. Aguilar picking up exactly where he left off. 6 field goals for the win last week. He's connected on 2 straight to begin this week. Here come the Showboats, and they fixing to show off. 3rd and 4. Kelly looking over the middle. He's got Papali. Give me your ankles, pussy. Don't ever try to touch me. Going down the sideline. Look at the lack of effort from Pittsburgh into the end zone. Touchdown. But he got them looking like a JV defense out there. The league execs might as well go get a pedicure with all these toes on display. Yet another field goal. Think fast. Here comes New Orleans. Thompson looking towards his left, got a man. Yoink. But he plays for the other team. Pass intercepted at the 30-yard line by Dennis, and he's headed to McDonald's. Can I get a McPick-6? Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. The Breakers are getting broke in this bitch. Score for Philadelphia. They lead by 2 scores. You could have seen this video early and ad-free. Make sure to join on patreon.com/Chiseled Adonis, and you won't have to worry about ads. What are you waiting for? Click the link in the description. Hot, hot.
Your ass is about to get waxed.
Come here.
It's my turn!
Better watch yourself, all right? You about to get hurt, bro.
Come here.
Back to the battle of the toes we go. Field goal from 48 yards out for Michigan. It sails wide to the right, no good. Memphis would try their luck from the same distance, but they put it through the uprights and good. They lead 13-0. The Breakers drive all the way down the field. Thompson, trying not to throw an interception, finds his man in the end zone. Touchdown. New Orleans gets on the board. It took nearly 30 minutes, but finally Pittsburgh's starting to figure it out. Memphis takes the football away and returns it to the 45. And just in case you forgot, New Jersey still can't figure anything out. Houston drives down the field and they take a 2-possession lead. Time for some backyard football for the reigning defending undisputed USFL champions. Here comes Magoo and the Stallions rolling towards his right. Somehow doesn't pass the line of scrimmage, dumps it off to White, and White's gonna take it into the end zone for the score, and the Stallions extend their lead. Mans nearly got assassinated from his teammate. Good news for New Jersey. It appears that the Generals in Loletta has figured out how to play offense.
Don't forget my motto and say, I lie, I cheat, I steal.
They getting cooked in every aspect of the game. Woo, woo, clitoris alert, woo, woo, clitoris alert, woo, woo, woo. Meanwhile, Michigan out of timeouts. Rather than spike it, Josh Love would try to run and doesn't recognize how football works, resulting in time elapsing and them going to the half without an ability to kick a field goal. This nincompoop had one job. If you're going to fake the spike and nothing is there, throw the football away. Why would you fake the spike? None of your teammates knows what's going on. And rather than throw the ball into the dirt or throw it into the stands, your dumbass tries to run forward as if you getting tackled in between the lines results in the clock stopping. Then to make matters worse, homie looking around like he doesn't recognize what happened. The kicker understands football more than you do. I would like to see Josh Love cut in the locker room right now. Matter of fact, take him out of his misery. Houston would take advantage of the interception, 37-yard field goal through the uprights and good, 13-0 lead going into the break. Last play of the quarter, Pittsburgh doing what they do best, that's special teams, but it wouldn't work on this 59-yard field goal. It's going to be fielded at the back of the end zone by Derek Dillon.
Hello, Dwight.
Spin move.
Dillon trying to showcase his education from Devin Hester Return University. He's off to the races, not a single mauler in sight. And ladies and gentlemen, we are witnesses to history, the longest USFL play ever. 109-yard return. Memphis continues to cook Pittsburgh, and the necrophilia challenge has begun because the Maulers may be dead, but somehow they're still getting fucked. Look at the educated feet. Mans knew he was right near the white, but he made sure not to have his feet touch it, unlike Demi Lovato's nose. And look at him take off running. Somebody throw in the towel, pack them up. There's no coming back from this.
You need a shout out? Book me on cameo.com/Chiseled Adonis and get a shout out, birthday wishes, draft order for your fantasy football team. It don't matter. Book me. What are you waiting for?
The second half we go, and it looks like Pittsburgh starting the same way they ended.
Stinking, steaming, stinking pile of grade A monkey crack.
I stopped short.
Here we go again.
All right, and nobody's blocking.
Next Mauler possession, 51-yard field goal to finally get on the board.
Oh, I missed.
New Jersey still getting cooked, now trailing by 16 after a 34-yard field goal from the Gamblers.
Don't run, I see you.
Come back here, you little son of a bitch.
You gotta be quicker than that.
Goldberg hit Lesnar with a spear.
Laletta been having a rough day. Nearly 35 minutes. Man's only got 45 yards and takes a sack inside his own end of the field. 44-yard field goal for the Breakers. They booted through the uprights and good. It's a 3-point game in Philly. Ensuing drive, Case Cook is on the move. Play action fake. He's going to use his legs, rolling towards his right. And for whatever reason, presses the wrong button on his controller and tosses it straight into the hands of a New Orleans defender.
That's not what he wanted to cook.
I would like to know, why did he think this was a good idea? Mans think he playing basketball out here.
Fucking retard. You big dummy.
Despite his first half shenanigans, somehow the Panthers did not cut love, and he paid them back by finding Hikatini in the end zone for the score. Michigan cuts their deficit down to 3. A little over 17 minutes left to play. This game's been all Memphis, and it's not gonna stop now.
Give me that.
Pass picked off by the Showboats again, and it's gonna be returned inside the 15. They getting cooked in all 3 phases of the game. 42-yard field goal to even the score at 13 apiece. The Breakers don't got what it takes. It sails wide to the right, no good.
You fucking income fucking poop.
You want to become an official member at Hold My Nuggets Incorporated? Head over to ChiseledAdonisShop.com and grab your merch. Stock is flying off the shelves. Get it before it's gone. Grab a hat. Let the people know your affiliation.
Final play of the third quarter. Following the interceptions, the Showboats put together a 27-yard field goal. They lead 22-0. First play of the fourth. The Generals would finally get on the board behind a 35-yard field goal. They still losing by 13. Despite having the lead, Cook is not having a very good night. He's already got 1 pick. How about
Another one.
diving interception by New Orleans? They take the football away again.
That's not what he wanted to cook.
Think fast. The Stallions drive all the way down the field. Magoo looking towards his left. He's got C.J. Marable in the end zone for the score. Birmingham makes it a 2-possession game, and all you had to do was catch the football in the end zone, C.J. But on their ensuing drive, they'd hand it off to C.J. Marable, and he put the ball on the ground. Fumble going to be recovered by the Panthers. They take the football away and now swing momentum in their favor. And all you had to do was protect the football, C.J. Back to Philadelphia we go. Here comes Thompson.
Bruce. Yoink.
Pass ricocheted and intercepted by the Stars. It just seems like a multi-interception game for all defenses around the league. Michigan makes it a 7-point deficit following the fumble recovery. They're right back in this game. Meanwhile, the Stars take that interception, drive all the way down the field. Cook is looking towards his left. He's got his man in the end zone. Touchdown, Jetsa!
Foul, foul.
Pass interference on the offense. They gonna need to do it again.
All right, let's try this again.
Very next play, Cookis takes the snap. Nobody's open. He's going to dial up voicemail, call his own number. Runs into the end zone. Back-to-back. Ken Jetsa!
Foul, foul.
Holding on the offense, back-to-back flags nullify 2 touchdowns. That wouldn't be the case for Birmingham because Magoo sees no laundry on the field as he runs it into the end zone, and Birmingham leads by 2 possessions again. 24-yard field goal for the Stars to make this a 6-point game. It's through the uprights and good following all those failed touchdown attempts.
Hit the like button and make sure to subscribe. Also, follow me on all social media networks, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at Chiseled Adonis. Make sure you get your fix of all Chiseled Adonis content.
The Generals trying to take their receipt to the sperm bank and get their comeback. Laletta looking towards his left, got his man, and finally New Jersey finds the end zone. But it means nothing if they can't convert on the 4th and 12 onside. Laletta's pass is going to be broken up, and the Gamblers are going to win and move on to 4-2. The USFL collectively might have the worst offensive line I've seen in all of the spring leagues over the course of the last 2 years. Quarterbacks getting cooked every single week. Under 2 minutes left to play. Here comes Love and the Panthers.
Oh no!
Few plays later, last chance for them to make things interesting. 4th and 18. The pass sails incomplete. Birmingham gets their 4th victory of the season. Michigan drops to 2-4. Somebody check on Pittsburgh. They're not only getting zipped, they continue to get their ass whipped as the necrophilia continues. Man's got hit by like 6 different showboats. 4th and 13 for New Orleans. They're going to need a conversion here. Thompson's pass down the field just missed his man for the score. He was going to be wide open. How do you miss him?
I suck.
Game all but over. 4th and 19. Pittsburgh hoping to step on a game breaker.
I guess not.
Pass intercepted once again as the showboats take the dead Namekian to the funeral home and put the nail in the coffin. They zip the Maulers 22-0. If the Stars connect on this 44-yard field goal, that makes it a 2-possession game with under... He doinked it! He doinked it! That leaves 3 seconds for the Breakers on a Hail Mary attempt to possibly win. They've got to go 66 yards for the win. The hook and ladder is out of the question. Thompson's going to launch it all the way down the field.
Not on my watch.
Pass sails incomplete, wasn't even close, and the Stars pick up the W over the Breakers as New Orleans would join Pittsburgh, New Jersey, and Michigan in taking out their Metro card and getting aboard the L train.
The NBA Finals is vastly approaching, and I'm feeling generous right now. So I've decided to give away another Xbox X and PS5. We've did it on 3 different occasions, 6 different winners. One of these can be yours, and you didn't even need to spend any money. All you gotta do is subscribe on YouTube, follow me on Instagram. Literally click 2 buttons, and you'll be entered to win. The winners will be selected at random the day after the final game of the NBA Finals. All you gotta do is subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. That's it.
You mean to tell me you watched the entire video but you haven't subscribed? Hit the subscribe button and become a member on Patreon or on YouTube to get access to the Discord. We're waiting for you in the Shadow Realm.
Just do it! Make your dreams come true!
Please! Please!
What are you waiting for, huh? Oh my god.